Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can see your TikTok watch history. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. Basically TikTok has implemented a watch history where you can see all the videos that you've watched and you can rewatch them. So as you can see, if I watched this video, and this video, and this video, okay, and I go on to how you can see this, how you can see the watch history is that you go onto profile, and then on the hamburger menu on the top right corner, then from there you're going to click on settings and privacy. Now, from there you're going to scroll down until something called activity center all the way up here. Once you click on the activity center, you're going to find your watch history, comment history, search history, and your manage post visibility. Now, if you go on to watch history, and as you can see, you can find all the videos that you watched, and as you can see, this is your watch history. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.